Hi, my name's Nicole Bernard, and I'm here to introduce you to Vizzlie, the automated posting service. Vizzlie was designed to be fun, easy, and intuitive. It will save you valuable time and money, allowing you to focus on more important things. Today, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial and will highlight our key features like creating templates and scheduling comments. Let's get started. To begin, you'll go to the website vizzlie.com and either create a free account or log in. To begin, we're going to go over here to Templates and create a Facebook template. When you create an account with Vizzlie, it is automatically loaded with a sample template, and in the Getting Started section down here, it will walk you through step by step on turning this template on and applying it to a party. So when you get a few minutes, please do work your way through this sample template. It has a lot of excellent information for you about Vizzlie. But for now, we're going to create our own. We're going to title this Vizzlie, and this title does not show up for anybody. It's just the way that you're going to identify it within the system. We'll create a new post. Again, this title will not show up during your party. It's just a way for you to identify your post. You can select whether you want this post to go out before the scheduled event time, the day of, or after. So I'm going to do this one 3 days before my event time. And then you can select whether it's a relative start time or an exact time of day. For pre and post party posts, I have found that an exact time of day works really well. And then for my live portion of my Facebook party, when the actual event is happening, I like to do a relative start time. That way it doesn't matter if my event starts at 5 p.m. or 8:30. I won't need to go in and adjust the post times. It will adjust automatically. So for this pre-party post, I want it to go out at 9:30 a.m. I'm going to introduce you to our text replacement feature. To use text replacement, you need to put your word here. It can be anything. It can be host, host name, it can be your event date, it can be your shopping link, anything like that. So you put it in between those two brackets there, and then anywhere you use like host here, in any subsequent posts, it will automatically fill it in for you. Okay, and for this one, you can attach an image. You can do one or multiple images. You can do a YouTube or a Vimeo video. You can do a Facebook album. I'm not going to walk you through this process just to save time, but all the directions are here on connecting to a Facebook album from your business page. You can also do a web link. But for this post, we're going to do an image. You can upload images into your photo gallery. These here, some of these here are preloaded from your sample template, or you can just drag and drop. So here we go. Dragging and dropping is the fastest way to do it. And then I'm going to add just a couple more here. So this post will go ahead and have multiple images. You can see here it has 3. It's going to go out at 9:30 a.m. 3 days before my event time. You click here to edit, delete, or add a comment. So I want this comment to go out 2 minutes after my initial post. Adding a comment is a great way to really supply some extra information from your post. You can do extra pictures, you can do more information, respond to things in your original post. For adding the comments, you can do no images or 1 image. We'll attach that one. So you can see this post, this comment will go out 2 minutes after its initial post. We'll create one more post. This one is going to go out the exact time. This is going to be like our first post of the actual party. So I want this relative to the start time. 0 minutes before the event starts is sort of ground zero. So if my event starts at 7 o'clock, this post will go out at 7 o'clock. You can attach anything you'd like here. For now, I'm just going to show you how web links work. You need to make sure that you enter the entire web link, not the shortened version. There's the web link, and we will do one more. We're going to do, a video. To do videos, you need to preload them into the video gallery. So we're going to link a video. Oh, I forgot to get this part ready. I'm going to go get a video from Kid President. Copy the link. We're going to go back over here, paste it in, look it up, and save it. So this is now in our video gallery. We'll go back here to templates, create a new post. This one I want to go out after the starting time. Oh, sorry, not days after. We're going to do that again. The same day as the event time, but relative. And I want this one to go out 8 minutes after my event starts. This is one of my party posts. And you're going to attach a video here. It will take you directly to your video gallery, and you select the one you'd like to attach. Okay, so we have our posts here. In this section is where you can also rename and duplicate. Duplicate a template is a great way to make just a few changes. So if maybe it's a new season and you want some different graphics, or you have new products coming out, you would duplicate the template, rename it, and then you can just go in and make some small changes without having to change the overall content or pacing of your template. This is also where you would share a template. So if you have other people on your team that you would like to share your trainings or your events with, you would send them this code and they would import it down here. So if you do share a template, it's a really amazing way to help team members get up and going and to share training information. We just encourage you to personalize it a little bit and go in and make some changes so it feels like it's them speaking, and we don't want everybody using the exact same content, or Facebook doesn't like that. So sharing a template is an amazing way to help each other out. Just personalize it a little bit so everyone feels like it's kind of new material. Okay, so that's what we have here. And then we're going to go over to our events. Here's our upcoming events. Vizzlie is now tied into your Facebook account, and typically this upcoming events area will show all of the upcoming events that you have, that you're hosting or that you are facilitating. So we're going to track this event. You can see that there's no upcoming posts. We're going to open this event, and we're going to come down here and use a template. We're going to select Vizzlie template. This is the start time as it pulled from Facebook, so I'm going to leave this here. All of my posts that are relative to the start time will be based off of this time right here. If I wanted to add a post, maybe that's not part of my typical template, but I want to maybe play a new game, I could add a post here directly into this event, just the way I normally would, but this will not go back to my original template. So any changes I make now in this event will not transfer back to my original template, and likewise, once I've applied my template to this event, anything I do in my original template will not transfer over. So if you've applied your template and then realize you need to make a couple of changes to the template, you'll need to make those changes as well. It won't transfer automatically. And if you've created an event and maybe you didn't use a template, but you had some awesome posts that you really loved the way that the party went, you can go ahead and click this button to turn that party into a template. You'll be able to select which posts you want to include in that, and then it'll pull it into a template for you and you can make your changes. So when we did our text replacement, they will show up down here. This is my host, and I'm going to enter her name exactly as the way I want it to appear in the box. So when I did Sue's party in my text, I only put her actual name in those brackets and then the punctuation afterwards. So you don't need to do like one text replacement for Sue and one for Sue's. You would just adjust your punctuation. Okay, we are going to resume automated posting. This is going to turn it on. It's going to ask if I'm ready to turn these on. Before you do this, if you have a lot of posts that are set to go out in the past, you will get a warning that those posts are all gonna go out at the same time. So if you have a lot that are going to go out at the same time, you might want to reschedule a couple of those or delete a couple of posts. You don't want to flood your event with a lot of posts all at the same time. So again, you will get a warning that if that is going to happen to you. But once you've gotten that taken care of, yes, you want to turn on automated posting. You can see it is green, so it is ready to go. These will all go as scheduled, as you see over here. And back when you get into your events here, you can see that it is turned on and you have 3 upcoming posts. So that is how you create a template and apply it to your party. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We can be contacted here through this Contact Us button. Please provide as much information about any questions or issues you're having so we can help you as quickly as possible. Thank you so much.